Thanks for CG from India to BOGONG Machinery. And let's welcome CG to introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Chirag. I am from India and I make stainless steel molds. So I wanted a laser machine for that.
And how do you find BOGONG?
Actually, I was searching internet since long time, but I never find anything except this company. So I watched videos on YouTube and then contacted from their site, website.
How do you feel about BOGONG machine?
Actually quite impressive because they have very accurate machine with small details it can engrave. Also it is a very useful for me, especially in my case.
Yeah, and the last question is, how do you feel about BOGONG's service?
Oh, well, it is way better than I was expected because they help me all these things which is not in their criteria, but they help me in the all things, and also the machine software is very good and they have plenty of options in that. So it is very, overall it's a fantastic experience with their team.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you
Very much.